already. We've got what looks to be a lot of the teams out and moving in already. SNG Club were the very first team to drop out in the Wildcard region for PMCO 2019. They're taking for themselves a military base, and doesn't really look like anyone else is contesting them, so they're probably going to have reasonably free looting in that area as the rest of the teams now start to spread out across the map.
Yeah, certainly. It looks like they're going to have the whole military island to themselves, the whole Sosnova island, which means that no team in Novo, that's a big wasted loot opportunity. Maybe we might see some clashing around Milta, Shelter, Prison. Looks like there's a lot of teams heading in that direction.
Doesn't look like we have too many, pardon me, doesn't look like too many teams who are going to be fighting immediately, but certainly potential for that. There is that big cluster
and that is
middle right-hand side of the map there.
That is
middle right-hand side of the map there.
That is a early breaking out. The car is moving. He's been tagged, but it's not going to be enough to take him down just yet. You already see 404. John Wick. He's on the kill feed already. He's taking one down. He's got a knock. Will he be able to finish it?
Oh, goodness me. 404 firing fast in the car here. Very early engagements indeed. Kenny who's looking for trying to get himself the opening frag here, and I don't think he's fighting a player as a gun. Unfortunately, this should be the end for these players from BTLK, AAA or AA, however you'd like to say it. Already knocked out. I don't think he even found a weapon, unfortunately, before he got run down.
So 404 starting off the first kill of the fall split. Goes to them.
Oh.
John Wick gets the credit. And it's a good way to start. Kenny gets it with a pistol, in fact, actually. You don't see that very often. But one player just getting caught out on the hot drop. Didn't get the memo, I guess.
And 404, all players already in a car and on the move. That's a good start for them, also with the early kill point.
Oh, there's another one. They're going around. Pistols. He's hiding around the tree, but he's going to go down. This is another free kill, and this is a disastrous start for the team. They've already got 2 knocked out. So he just jukes around the tree, but it's not enough.
It's actually different. I think it's a different team losing one.
Are you sure?
AQ. I think.
Oh, wow, yeah.
I'm actually not. Yeah, it was BTLK who lost the first player.
Yep, you're right.
So there you go. It's different. Look at him go. Look at him go. Storming the compound. All 4 players. Pistols in hand. BTLK. 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 There we go. BTLK inside the building here. Going out into the open, actually. It's very wrong. BTLK have already lost lots of players, and it looks like we might just have the first team. Elim coming through here. There we go. Looks like I think everyone from BTLK is actually down.
Yeah, we are down to 15 teams. BTLK exiting very early. John Wick, he's on a rampage. Maybe he might play to watch now. He's started off with an absolute banger of a game.
I mean, he started off with one of the best names in the whole tournament as well.
Well, it's pretty appropriate, isn't it?
Exactly.
The way he's taking out players.
If you're going to call yourself John Wick, you've got to slay out. But a very good start for Team 404, getting 4 Elims, knocking out... Actually, no, that'd be 5 now.
Yeah,
because they found that
yes.
one stray player on AQ, and they knocked out an entire team. So they've got that car as well, so they're going to be in the lead for now on the points side of things.
They are a little bit behind in the looting now that they did run around in that 4-man, but I think it's worth it. Now they're going to be able to settle down, take the loot spots of the enemy that they just took out, and then they'll be able to rotate in with that car. Just hope it doesn't take too long, otherwise they could get caught in rotation. As we see teams now beginning to rotate into the circle, that south side is going to be pretty chockers. There's not going to be anyone bridge camping at the moment, which is very important. Getting that across that bridge means that SNG, or they won't be able to get across and get fully looted, and then straight into the middle of the circle. The north side, the Zaki team, they're going to be pretty looted too. The teams around George Paul also have a good amount of loot, as we see another fight breaking out. The man's rushing up the stairs, but he does get taken out. William goes down.
Goodness me, that's not a great start for S7 team. Yeah, and all their players are still around this area as well, so it's going to be a pretty tricky situation for them. Those res is not going to be, well, they've had their players knocked out, so obviously res is not possible, so down to 2 players already, and our first game here for the fall split, starting off with quite a lot of kills very quickly. A couple of players from AG here outside these buildings.
I think they won't get much here. S7, they're in the circle, they don't need to move, they're probably pretty happy with their position at the moment. You can see they are kind of moving around as a group. AG haven't got the memo though that the S7 have exited the building. So we see them running in the open. It's quite scary. There's a buggy.